Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic soft tissue injuries. And in this topic, we will discuss today regarding the muscle injuries. In the muscle injuries, we have to discuss today at first regarding the cramp. At first, we should know about the meaning of cramp. The cramp is, we can say, the unbalanced contraction of muscles, or it can be, we can say, cramp is inability of muscles to contract properly, causing severe pain over affected part. The causes of the cramp are due to overstraining without stress or without rest, just like we can say the loss of body water by sweating and physical activity during sickness, or we can say the loss or lack of body salt or minerals while the strenuous activity or continuous activity or for a long duration activity, and while that the salt of body or minerals has lost. Then after that, physical activity during extreme bad weather or the climate, not performing proper warming up, etc. So these are the some important causes due to that the cramps can be possible in our muscles, because for a long duration activity the more water and mineral have lost, and due to that the muscles cramp can be possible. So question arises that how we have to manage the cramp. So first aid or how to manage the cramp at first. So for that, complete rest to the affected individual. Next one is drink sufficient water during the long duration or prolonged activity, or drink sufficient water, certainly lemon water or juices, etc. while the activity. Next one is massage over affected part after some time, and then if pain is more, after ice or cold compression for some duration. Then we should try also preventing over exertion of muscles in excessive hot or cold climate. So through that ways we can give the first aid or we can manage the cramp, which is the muscle injury, and we can say we have to manage cramp very easily. So through this detail we have to know regarding the cramp and the first aid and manage how we have to cramp. Thank you.